Chalkboard Tales, where magic is real, the rules don't matter, and we dream big. Now, before we jump into today's story, I've got to say, wow, we hit 100 subscribers in one day. That's like pure magic. Seriously, thank you. You guys are amazing. Your support means everything, and it's what makes these magical stories possible. We're so happy you're here. Hey everyone, it's Ayesha, and welcome back to the channel for our second episode. Today, we're going to explore the incredible power of determination. We'll learn how even the smallest creatures like a snail can achieve amazing things by simply keeping their eyes on the goal and overcoming any obstacles that come their way. Before we jump in, subscribe and ring the bell to stay updated. Ajo! In a quiet corner of the forest where the sun gently filters through the leaves, there begins an inspiring tale of determination. At the base of a grand, towering tree, a tiny snail sets its eyes on a seemingly impossible challenge. To many, the tree appears insurmountable, its branches stretching high into the sky. Yet the snail, with its humble heart, harbors a dream to reach the top and embrace the world from a new perspective. Slowly, ever so slowly, the snail begins its journey, inch by inch, along the rough bark of the tree. It moves with deliberate purpose, never distracted by the rustling leaves or the scurrying ants passing by. Every day, the sun rises and sets, bringing new weather and new challenges. But the snail perseveres. It carries the weight of determination, a testament to the power of patience and persistence. Rain or shine, the snail trudges on, leaving behind a glistening trail, a testament to its unwavering spirit. As days turn into weeks, the snail continues its steady ascent. It pauses to rest under the shadows of leaves, gaining strength and renews its endeavor. Days are long and nights are quiet, but the snail moves with a quiet resolve. Other creatures of the forest watch in awe, some offering encouragement, while others doubt that such a fragile creature could ever complete such a monumental task. The snail, however, remains focused, deaf to whispers of doubt, fueled by an inner determination that drives it forward. And then, one bright morning, with the sun smiling upon the earth, the moment arrives. The snail reaches the pinnacle of the tall tree. From this immense height, a breathtaking view unfolds. The forest stretches far and wide, a sea of green swaying gently in the breeze. The snail pauses, taking in the vastness of the world and the beauty of a dream realized. It savors the triumph, a silent reminder that slow and steady truly wins the race. Consistent effort, unwavering faith, and undeterred optimism have guided the snail to success. This tiny creature has shown us that great things are possible when one moves with constancy and purpose. In a world that celebrates speed, the snail has taught us the value of steady perseverance. The journey to the top is just as meaningful as the view. Let this story be an inspiration. No dream is too towering when approached with determination. In the end, it is not the haste, but the heart that leads to victory.